When we create objects, we use the constructor to do so. We've actually seen them already, at least sort of. When we were creating new objects, we did it, for example, like this. %p equals new person. Here are we actually calling the constructor of the person class. A constructor is some sort of special method in Java that is used to create an object of a class. It has the same name as the class and it's used to initialize the instance variables of the object. Here's how to recognize a constructor. As I said, it has the name of the class. And it starts with a capital, because it has the name of the class and that one should start with a capital as opposed to methods. Also, a constructor has no return type. If it has a return type, it's not a constructor. It's a method. It's a normal method with a very poorly chosen name. Please do not do this. Here's an example of a class with a constructor. You can see it on line 7. It has the same name as the class student. And as you can see, it has no return type, but opposed to the other constructor, this one takes 2 arguments, one name and one age. And it's using these arguments to set the fields of the class. To create an object of the student class, we can use the following syntax. Student S1 equals new student and then, for example, John and 20. The new keyword is used to create a new object. And the constructor is called to initialize the object's instance variables. As I already mentioned, something is new here compared to how we used to do it. We are sending in arguments. We only have used constructors without arguments so far. At this point, you might think back to when we were creating classes and don't remember seeing any constructors. And you'd be right. We have been using the default constructor that gets added by Java so far. Except for this one time right now where I was creating the student constructor, of course. Let's explore the default constructor in more detail in the next video.